everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. Let's go to the next question, which will be, what type of product do you buy the most of? Brushes. I love makeup brushes. Every kind and every shape and every color and every makeup brushes. I'm crazy about makeup brushes. It's something that I have a lot of, and I can't stop buying makeup brushes. It's one of my favorite items. From my perspective, I feel that makeup brushes, if it's really good brushes, it's one of the most important thing in a makeup application. It can make like a really cheap makeup make it look so good, like a drugstore, or make a drugstore looks like a high-end brand. This is my perspective, and I really love makeup brushes. I can't imagine my life without makeup brushes. So yeah, if I'm gonna pick something, will be it. So yeah, I am a makeup brush girl. So this is for this question. So let's go to the next one in the next video, and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.